Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869, in a small town called Porbandar in Gujarat, India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but people lovingly called him Bapu, which means father. He is also known as the father of the nation in India because of his important role in the country's freedom struggle. Gandhiji grew up in a simple family. His father was a government official, and his mother was very religious, teaching him values like truth and non-violence from a young age. After finishing school in India, he went to England to study law. He became a lawyer, but his heart was always in helping people. After becoming a lawyer, Gandhiji went to South Africa to work. There, he saw how badly Indians and other people were treated because of their skin color. This made him very sad, and he decided to fight against this unfair treatment. In South Africa, he started using non-violence and peaceful protests as his way to fight injustice. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915 and soon became an important leader in the fight for India's freedom from British rule. He believed that people could win freedom without violence. His ideas of non-violence, ahimsa, and truth satya became the foundation of his movements. One of his most famous protests was the Dandi March in 1930, where he and his followers walked 240 miles to make salt from the sea. This was to protest the British law that taxed salt, which was unfair to poor people. He led many more peaceful protests like the Quit India movement, asking the British to leave India. Gandhiji always believed in solving problems with peace and never using violence. He taught people to live by truth and non-violence. He inspired millions of people in India and around the world to fight for justice in peaceful ways. India finally gained its independence from the British on August 15th, 1947, largely due to Gandhiji's efforts. Unfortunately, on January 30th, 1948, Gandhiji was shot and killed by a man who did not agree with his ideas. Even though Gandhiji is no longer with us, his teachings of peace, truth, and non-violence are still important today. His life continues to inspire people all over the world. Mahatma Gandhi showed that great changes can be made without fighting and hurting others. He will always be remembered as a great leader who fought for justice in a peaceful way.